Hi everyone, my name is Pelumi. I am a fashion designer and content creator, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchie, a very simple scrunchie to help you perfect sewing a straight stitch on your sewing machine. Let's get right into it. The materials needed are a piece of fabric, scissors, safety pin, pins, measuring tape, tailor's chalk, elastic band, a ruler, and the thread that will be on your sewing machine. Cut out a piece of fabric that is about 4.5 inches wide and the length should be 24 inches long. You can adjust this length depending on how full you want your scrunchie to be. Also prepare the elastic band to be 8 inches long. Next, fold the fabric in half lengthwise, making sure the right sides are facing. And we're going to sew along the length of this fabric with the straight stitch at 1/2 inch seam allowance. You should follow the stitch guide on your sewing machine to get this right. Also, don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and at the end of your stitch to secure it. After sewing, it's time to flip it right side out. Place a safety pin at one end, tuck the safety pin in and weave it through the inside of the loop until it gets to the other side. Then straighten the fabric out. It's now time to add the elastic. So grab the elastic and stick a safety pin to one end. This will help us to hold on to the elastic as we weave it through the middle of the fabric. I also like to stick a pin to the other end of the elastic to attach it to the fabric. That way you don't end up pulling the other end of the elastic through. Once you get the elastic to the other side, place both ends together and pin, then sew together. It's a bit tricky to get this part because it's small, but all you have to do is go forward and backwards several times to make it secure. Next, fold in the raw edges of one end of the fabric. And then insert the other raw end inside the folded end. Straighten this out so it fits neatly. And then sew a straight stitch along the middle to close it up. So after that stitch, you'll be finished with your scrunchie. It is very easy to make and in no time at all. And all you need is a straight stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do subscribe to Caramel Rock for more sewing tutorials.